White House release published Friday, June 13, 2025, regarding the proposed acquisition of the United States Steel Corporation by Nippon Steel Corporation. President Trump has issued an executive order concerning the proposed acquisition of United States Steel Corporation by Nippon Steel Corporation and its affiliates. The Committee on Foreign Investment in the United States, or CFIUS, reviewed the proposed transaction. The review began after a voluntary notice was submitted on March 14, 2024. CFIUS completed its investigation and referred the matter to the President in December 2024. On January 3, 2025, then-President Biden issued an order prohibiting the transaction, citing national security concerns. The law allows the President to suspend or prohibit any transaction that may threaten national security. On April 7, 2025, President Trump directed CFIUS to conduct a new review of the proposed acquisition. CFIUS submitted its updated recommendation on May 21, 2025. This recommendation included an assessment of national security risks and whether proposed measures could address those risks. President Trump affirms that there is credible evidence the transaction could threaten national security. He also finds that these risks can be mitigated if certain conditions are met. The new order states that the acquisition is prohibited unless Nippon Steel and U.S. Steel enter into a national security agreement with the Department of the Treasury and other relevant agencies. This agreement must be consistent with a draft provided by the U.S. government on June 13, 2025. CFIUS is authorized to monitor and enforce compliance with these requirements. The order also removes certain previous restrictions from the January 3 order. The President reserves the right to issue further orders if necessary to protect national security. This order will be published in the Federal Register. The Secretary of the Treasury will send copies to all parties involved in the proposed transaction. Thanks for listening. The full source material for this summary is in the description below.